it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I'm going to show you how to do a couple of things today. And I'm so glad that you could join me because these are going to be a couple of quick, handy tips that you are not going to want to miss. Whenever you make homemade French fries at home, you know, sometimes they're a little bit soggy. Well, this is a solution to that, or at least it is a partial solution to that. If you hear the background noise, my dog is barking and my neighbor is mowing. The neighborhood is humming along, but I'm determined to make this video for you. All right, what I have here, I've got some potatoes that are cut up French fry style. They're cut up into sticks. And I cut these yesterday. I made some yesterday, and I thought I would show you how to make them today. But I cut these yesterday. They've been soaking in ice water. These have been rinsed several times, so you can see that the water is clear. There's no starch on these. I've got as much starch off of these as I can possibly get. Right down here, I have a pan of fat. This happens to be beef fat because that's what I've got. It's this jar of beef fat, and I actually get this off of that cheap fatty hamburger, and I showed you that in the past how I do that, and it makes a lovely fat to cook, to fry things in. And French fries fried in beef fat is one of the best flavors ever. So I'm going to drain some of these French fries for you, and then we're going to put these in the pan. We're going to cook them up. Alright, I've got the potatoes drained, and I'm going to put one in here. Oh, we're good. I just want to make sure how hot the fat is. And I'm going to cook these up just like you would normal French fries because, you know what, they're French fries, right? I like to take a little salt. I like to put some salt on mine while they're cooking. So I'm going to let these cook up. This is turned on high, so the fat's nice and hot. Now, something else I was wanting to show you while we are at it. This is a jar of dill carrots, and you can see it was originally hamburger dill chips. These are from Aldi. What I do is I save the pickle brine. It doesn't have to be dill, it can be others as well. I save the pickle brine and slice up my carrots. These were the end of a bag of carrots. I bring the pickle brine to a boil, pack the jar full of the carrots, and pour the hot boiling brine over the carrots. It doesn't have to be carrots. You can use other vegetables. You can use cucumbers. You can use cauliflower, onions, slices of onion. You can use whatever you like. And then I put the lid on right away. I let it cool off enough so I can put it back in the refrigerator. And I want to show you how really nice these are. They stay very crunchy. Here. They taste like dill pickles. They're awesome. And they stay crunchy. They will last for a very, very long time in the pickle brine. They're so good. So if you've got the tail end of some vegetables like this that maybe you don't know what to do with them and you're kind of at a loss, don't throw away your pickle brine. Sweet pickle brine, dill pickle brine, it doesn't matter. Kosher dill, boil it first, pack your vegetables in your jar, in the same jar, pour the brine back in, Put the lid on, and you're good to go. I did these a couple weeks ago, and they are awesome. All right, let's take a look at our French fries. The reason I do them like this is because they come out very nice. They're crisp, and look, see how they're kind of bubbling up there a little bit? You just cook them until they're golden brown. It's going to take a little bit, and honestly, if you want to start them like this and then put them on a baking tray and put them in your oven, you can finish them in the oven if you want to. I'm just saying, but they're delicious like this. All right, let's check on the fries again. They're getting there. This is going to be part of my lunch. And these, I'm telling you, you do them like this. Just put them in the ice water. And I have kept them in ice water like that. I've prepared these ahead of time and kept them in the ice water, well rinsed, for 2 weeks. As long as they're covered up, they're okay. And if you feel like you need to change the water, you can. But honestly, because they're rinsed so well and the starch is out of them, you're not gonna need to change the water. Okay, all right. They're cooking away. Now then, I'm going to show you something else that I have been doing that is so scrumptious. You're going to love me for this. This is something of change from the traditional BLT. Now this is just a flour tortilla. Oh, there it is. And I'm going to take some mayonnaise. I'm going to make my BLT, but instead of using bread, I'm going to use my flour tortilla. If you want to warm it up, you can. But honestly, these are nice and soft. I really don't need to warm mine up. I'm fine with that. Put as much mayonnaise on there as you want. Okay? Now, I'm going to put my lettuce leaves on there. There they are. I've got my tomato, tail end of a tomato here. Got to put some salt and pepper on that. You just got to have some. Got to have salt and pepper on your tomato. And now my bacon is cold. I cooked it the other day, but I don't care if it's cold. It got a little bit dark. I let it go a little long because, you know, it's highly sugared. I'm going to do 3 here. Oh, call my name. And that's it. You just roll it up and you've got a BLT. I'm telling you, it is awesome. All right. There you go. I got my BLT wrap, and now I have my beautiful, beautiful French fries. I could drain these on a paper towel first, but okay. Why? Why should I? Now then, I will reuse this beef fat. I'm going to put it back in the jar and I will reuse it for more French fries. It'll get a little dark as it goes, but honestly, I don't care. Now, I'm going to put some salt on there, and I'll be right back because there's something important. Look at this, look at this. Don't you guys just love me? I love you. Got some salt, or got some ketchup. My brain is always on salt because, you know, salt makes food taste good. And I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on that. Awesome. Look at this. Now this is lunch. A little preparation ahead of time. I've got my BLT wrap, which is awesome. And I got my little French fry, and look at these. These are awesome. These fries. Mmm. Look at that. I'm telling you, I'm not lying to you. You do your homemade French fries like this, and you may never buy a frozen bag of fries again. Oh! It's so good. It's so hot. All right. That's it. That's lunch for Granny. What do you think? You like it? I like it. Awesome. I'm going to sit down and eat this. I'm going to enjoy the heck out of this. Listen, give this a try. I know that you can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? Listen, I love you guys. You know I do. And you just hang in there because, man, oh man, I got some good ideas for you. Stick with me. Stick with me, baby. All right, I love you. And as always, little is much when God is in it. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.